everyone. Our lesson for today is about grade 7 math, quarter 2, module 4, special products. Okay, so panglima na tayo sa ating special products. That is products of a binomial and a trinomial. Kapag nagmo-multiply tayo ng polynomial, lalo na kapag kagaya nito na marami na siyang terms, nahihirapan tayo. So meron tayong tinatawag na mga special products at nasa panglima na tayo. That is products of a binomial and a trinomial. So ang method na ito is applicable lamang siya kung ang given na binomial at trinomial follows the general form. So ano yung general form? Again, ano yung binomial? Dalawang term. Trinomial, tatlong term. Okay, so ito yung binomial natin, isang term, pangalawang term. Tapos trinomial, isa, dalawa, tatlo, tatlong term. So kapag nag-follow siya ng general form, ano yung general form natin? So ito yung general form natin. A squared minus AB plus B squared multiplied by A plus B is equal to A cubed plus B cubed. Okay, so paano natin masatisfy ang general form na ito? And then meron din tayong A squared plus AB plus B squared multiplied by A minus B is equal to A cubed minus B cubed. Okay, titingnan natin ang mga points para malaman natin kung paano ba natin titingnan ang ating given na masasabi natin na ito ay product of a binomial and a trinomial. Okay, first, if you square the first term of the binomial, you will get the first term of the trinomial. Ibig sabihin, kapag i-square mo daw yung first term ng binomial, makukuha mo ang first term ng trinomial. For example, ito, A plus B ang ating binomial. So, ang first term ng binomial natin is A. Kapag i-square mo siya, kapag i-square mo si A, makukuha mo ang first term ni trinomial. Okay, so A squared, of course, A squared. And then second, if you multiply the first and second term of the binomial, you will get the second term of the trinomial. Kapag i-multiply mo daw ang first term at second term ng ating binomial, makukuha mo ang second term ng iyong trinomial. Okay, so A times B is equal to AB. And then third, if you square the second term of the binomial, you will get the last term of the trinomial. So kapag i-square natin ang ating second term sa binomial, makukuha natin ang third term ng trinomial. So B squared is equal to B squared. Okay, so ito yung titingnan mo. Titingnan mo ang iyong binomial. Kapag nakuha niya ang mga term ng ating trinomial, masasabi mo na ito ay product of a binomial and a trinomial. Titingnan mo rin ang iyong binomial kung naka-addition ba siya or naka-subtraction. Kapag naka-addition, of course, addition ang iyong sagot. Kapag naka-subtraction, of course, subtraction ang iyong sagot. Okay, so i-apply na natin siya gamit ang ating mga examples. Para mas maintindihan natin, meron tayong mga example dito. So first, x squared minus xy plus y squared multiplied by x plus y. So ano yung sagot natin dito? Okay, so base sa ating mga points, ang sagot natin dito is, ang ating first term sa binomial is i-cube natin siya. Okay, so i-cube natin siya. So that is x cubed plus, ang ating second term is i-cube natin. So y cube. Okay, so paano natin siya ginawa? Ito yung rule natin. Titingnan natin ang second term is subtraction. So, subtraction tayo dito. Kaya ang ating sagot is addition. So, A cube plus B cube. Kaya ang ating sagot is i-cube lang natin ang ating first term at i-cube natin ang ating second term. Kaya ang first term natin is x. Kaya x cube plus y cube. Okay. Oh, di ba ganyan lang kadali kapag alam mo na oops, ito is product of a binomial and a trinomial. Alam mo na agad kung ano yung sagot. Pero paano ba natin ito kinuha? Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin siya kinuha gamit ang long method of multiplication. So x squared minus xy plus y squared. I-multiply natin siya sa x plus y. Okay, so multiply natin. Y times y squared is equal to y cubed. And then, add, kasi puro sila positive. Y times negative xy is equal to negative xy squared. Kasi dalawang y na tayo. And then, y times x squared is equal to x squared y. Okay, dito naman tayo sa first term. x times y squared is equal to positive, kasi positive si x at positive si y squared. So, xy squared. And then x times negative xy is equal to negative x squared y. Kita ba sa baba? Ayan. And then x times x squared is equal to x cubed. Okay, so i-simplify na natin. I-move lang natin ng konti kasi hindi makita sa baba. Ayan. So, bring down natin si y cubed, that is positive, and then negative xy squared plus subtracted by positive xy squared. So, positive and negative subtract. So, cancel dahil magiging 0 yan siya. And then x squared y minus x squared y. Okay, so cancel din dahil magiging 0. And then x cubed. Okay, so therefore, ang sagot natin is x cubed plus y cubed. Kaya, pareho lang dito yung sagot natin. Pero kapag gagamitan natin siya ng long process of multiplication, kapag hindi natin alam na, oops, ito is a product of a binomial and a trinomial. Special product ang given natin ito. So, syempre, gagawin natin itong long process of multiplication. Pero, kung alam na natin, automatic, meron na tayong sagot na hindi na tayo kailangan mag-solve. Okay, i-check natin ang mga points kung totoo ba na ito is a product of a binomial and a trinomial. Ano yung mga points natin? First is, if you square the first term of the binomial, you will get the first term of the trinomial. So, ang first term ng binomial natin is x. Kapag i-square mo daw siya, ito yung first term ng ating trinomial. So, x squared is x squared. So, tama. Ito yung first term ng ating trinomial. And then second point, if you multiply the first and the second term of the binomial, kapag i-multiply daw natin ang first at second term ng ating binomial, makukuha natin ang second term ng trinomial. Okay, so x times y is equal to xy. Okay, so satisfy na ang dalawang points natin. Ang pangatlong points naman. Ang pangatlong points, if you square the second term of the binomial, you will get the last term of the trinomial. Okay, so itong si second term ng binomial, kapag i-square daw natin siya, ito yung magiging last term ng ating trinomial. So, y, i-square natin siya is y squared. So, ibig sabihin na satisfy niya ang ating points, kaya ito is a product of a binomial and a trinomial. Second example tayo, y squared plus 5y plus 25 multiplied by y minus 5. Okay, so ang sagot natin is, i-cube natin ang ating first term. So ang first term natin sa binomial is y. So gagawin natin is y cube. And then take note na ang ating binomial is subtraction. So kapag subtraction ng ating binomial, ang ating sagot din is subtraction. Okay. Next is ang ating ang ating second term sa binomial is i-cube din natin. So, negative 5 cube. Okay, so that's why y cube minus 5 cube. Okay, so i-simplify natin kasi si 5 cube is pwede pa natin siyang masimplify. So, y cube minus 5 cube is equal to 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, so 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Times 5 is equal to 125. Okay, so that is y cube minus 125. Okay, so ito na yung sagot natin sa ating trinomial at binomial na minultiply. Ngayon is i-multiply naman natin siya in a long process of multiplication kung tama ba ang ating sagot na y cube minus 125. So, negative 5 times positive 25 is equal to negative kasi negative and positive. So, 5 times 5 is equal to 25, carry 2. 5 times 5 equals 10 plus 2 equals 12. So, negative 125. Negative 5 times positive 5y. So, 5 times 5 is equal to negative 25y. Kasi negative and positive. Next, negative 5 times y squared. So, that is negative 5y squared. Dito naman tayo sa y. So, y times 25 is equal to positive kasi pareho sila positive. Positive 25y. And then, positive y times positive 5y. Bakit ko sinasabi yung sign ng mga term natin. Kasi napaka-importante ng sign. Kapag nakalimutan mo yung sign, mali-mali na yung sagot mo. Okay. So, positive y times positive 5y is equal to positive 5y squared. And then y times y squared, so positive and positive, that is y cubed. Okay, so i-simplify na natin siya. Move lang natin again ng konti. So, negative 125, sorry. Negative 25y plus 25y, positive and negative subtract, so magiging 0, cancel. Negative 5y squared plus 5y squared. So, negative and positive, magiging 0, cancel. So, i-bring down natin si y cube. So, ang sagot natin is y cube minus 125. Okay, so tama yung sagot natin. Ngayon naman, i-check natin ang mga points kung tama ba yung sagot natin base sa ating points sa product of a binomial and a trinomial. So first, kapag i-square mo ang iyong first term sa binomial, so ang first term natin is y, kapag i-square mo daw siya, makukuha mo ang first term ng iyong trinomial. Okay, so i-square natin si y, magiging y squared. So y squared ang kanyang first term, so tama. Second, kapag i-multiply natin ang ating first term at second term, is makukuha natin ang second term ng ating trinomial. So, y times 5 is equal to 5y. And then lastly, if you square the second term, ang second term natin is 5. Kapag i-square mo ang second term ng ating binomial, makukuha mo ang last term ng ating trinomial. So, 5 square, ibig sabihin 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So, tama lang ang ating mga points at tama ang ating sagot. Okay, last example na tayo. 4x squared minus 6x plus 9 multiplied by 2x plus 3. Okay, so, ano yung gagawin natin? I-cube natin si first term. So, si first term is 2x cubed plus, kasi positive ang ating addition ang ating binomial, so plus tayo, and then 3 cube. So ang second term i-cube natin, 3 cube. Ito na ba yung sagot natin? Of course, hindi pa. I-simplify pa natin siya. Kasi si 2 cube is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. I-multiply mo si 2 sa kanyang sarili ng 3 times. So 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. So 8x cube plus, okay, sorry, dapat merong ganito. Ayan. Okay, so, naging si 2x cube, ibig sabihin, i-cube mo si 2 at i-cube mo si x. So, naging 8x cube na siya. And then, 3 cube, so 3 cube is equal to 3 times 3 times 3. So, 3 times 3 equals 9. Times 3 equals 27. So, plus 27. So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung sagot natin, 8x cubed plus 27. Okay, ito na yung final answer natin. So, wag na natin siyang i-multiply kasi wala na tayong space. Ngayon, i-check na lang natin yung mga points kung na-satisfy ba yung tatlong points natin. So, first, kapag i-square mo daw ang iyong first term sa binomial, makukuha mo ang iyong first term sa trinomial. So, 2x squared. Okay, so 2x, tapos square mo siya. So, 2 times 2 equals 4, and then x squared. So, ibig sabihin, 2x, tapos square natin, ang sagot is 4x squared. And then next is, kapag i-multiply mo ang iyong first term sa binomial at second term sa iyong binomial, makukuha mo ang second term sa trinomial. So, 2x times 3, 2 times 3 is equal to 6, tapos kopyahin si x. So, kaya 6x. Okay. So, last point is kapag i-square mo ang iyong second term sa binomial, so, ang second term natin is si 3. Kapag i-square mo siya, so, 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3. So, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So, ang last term natin sa ating trinomial is 9. Okay, so nakuha niya ang tatlong points natin. Ibig sabihin, tama yung ating sagot at itong ating given is a product of a binomial and a trinomial. Para malaman nyo na ang inyong given is product of a binomial and a trinomial, gagawin nyo muna yung 3 points. first, i-square nyo muna ang iyong first term sa binomial kung first term ba siya ng iyong trinomial. Pagkatapos, i-multiply mo ang first term at second term kung second term ba siya ng iyong trinomial. And then lastly, i-square mo ang iyong second term sa binomial kung third term ba siya ng iyong trinomial. Kapag nasatisfy niya yon, ibig sabihin pwede ka nang magsulat agad ng iyong sagot na i-cube mo lang yung first term ng iyong binomial tapos i-cube mo din ang second term ng iyong binomial at meron ka ng sagot. And take note also of the sign. Kapag ang sign ng iyong binomial is positive or addition, so addition din yung sagot mo. Kapag subtraction, subtraction din yung sagot mo. Okay, that's all for today's video guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa ating 5 special product. Kapag alam nyo na yung 5 special product natin, hindi na kayo mahihirapang mag-multiply ng polynomials kasi meron na kayong sagot agad. See you on our next lesson. Bye guys!